How to fix texture duplications in Unreal Engine 5. We often encounter this problem when creating ground materials. Today, we will provide a quick fix. First, make sure the start content is added to your project. If it's not already added, click the Add button and select List. And we find the start content and add to projects. And now we close it. And here I found the material. And here you can see have the 3 ground material. You can set one of them and put it to the landscape. Yeah, I think it's really the fast way to use the material to the landscape, and you don't need to create your materials by yourself. So I think this is fast. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.